What is going on, guys? I'm the Crypto Pickle. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. If you are bored inside your house right now, looking for something to do, maybe now is the time to get interested in Bitcoin. The price is down, it's a good time to buy. Maybe if you're looking for something to do, you can read up on the economy and how the funny money, aka the US dollar, is not backed by gold anymore. They're about to print over $6 trillion to stimulate the economy. With that being said, I'm actually glad they're giving some of that to us for once. We're supposed to be getting some checks in the mail. Not everybody, unfortunately, but some of us will. With that being said, here are some ways to earn cryptocurrency. Some not requiring any money, and some do, unfortunately, but if you have some extra cash, maybe you can get interested in crypto right now. So if I do post this to Facebook, if you're bored, feel free to watch, comment down below. Number one here, we have Coinbase Earn. Coinbase is an exchange. You can download their app, super easy, super simple to buy Bitcoin with. You can earn crypto while learning about crypto. So here are some different cryptocurrencies here. DAI, for example, is a stable coin that aims to be worth exactly $1 US. So if you're trading Bitcoin and you want to get out because you think the price is going to go down, you can convert it to DAI so your US dollar value stays the same. So you can earn $50 worth of EOS, $50 here. Some of this does require you to invite your friends to join if you want the whole $50 per se. But it's you can earn some crypto right here very easily. And if you do research and you're not a fan of that cryptocurrency, you can just convert it to Bitcoin after, right on Coinbase. Number two here, we have Loli. Earn free Bitcoin when you shop online. I mean, you might as well, if you're going to buy something on Amazon, you might as well just use Loli. They have tons of partners: Expedia, Toms, Hotwire, Ulta, Old Navy. There's more than just these. 500 plus top brands. Earn up to 30% back in Bitcoin rewards. You're literally making money back when you buy stuff. Pretty cool website. They announce partnerships literally every day on their Twitter. Number three here, we have Voice. It's now in beta, so I'm going to leave this one out, but new social medias are in the works where you can earn crypto just by participating. DAppRadar.com here, we have dApps, decentralized applications. If you want to compare this to the internet back in like 1994, 1995, whatever, you can see there's like barely any users on blockchains right now. But you can play some games, you can win some money, you can gamble if you want to. Don't recommend doing that. But prospectors, for example, you can mine gold, convert that crypto into Bitcoin. What do we got here? We got the Brave browser, which I'm currently using down here. This will reward you for browsing the internet. You might as well do that too, since you're already on the internet 24/7. Your attention is valuable. Earned by viewing privacy, respecting ads, and pay it forward to support content creators you love. I'm not going to go into full detail here. The basic attention token is on Coinbase Earn, so if you want to learn about that, you can go back to Coinbase Earn, learn about that, and then download Brave to actually earn some. I have my Brave rewards on right here. That's what the triangle is. You can earn basic attention token. You can either hold it, wait for the value to go up, or convert that into Bitcoin as well. So I'm literally just using the internet and making money. I mean, you might as well do it, in my opinion. Also, BlockFi, wealth management. This is where you stake your cryptocurrency. You can earn up to 8.6% annually just for letting your Bitcoin sit on BlockFi. It's kind of like having money in a savings account, except savings accounts suck. They get you like 0.0000 whatever interest. It's really not worth it. Meanwhile, you have inflation going on. They keep printing US dollars. So literally you're just losing money in a savings account, honestly, when you can be making 8.6% annually with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a couple other cryptos here. Binance is now offering some staking. This is Binance US. this is a great exchange for beginners. They're going to add more, I'm sure. When I say staking, I mean staking your cryptocurrency to the network. Some of the cryptos actually have utility, so you need to stake in order to get CPU and whatnot. It's all behind the scenes though. So if you're just an average user and you're not interested in all that nerdy stuff, you're going to be using a blockchain in the near future, and it's gonna feel like the internet. So don't worry about all the back end stuff. Why isn't this working here? This is what Binance US looks like though. If you're new to crypto and you want to get into it, you can just trade on these markets here. Bitcoin USD, it says the last price $6,750, up 1.36% in the last 24 hours. We got all these cryptos here. Binance US is actually semi new, so they don't have that many listings yet, but Binance.com has way more. Unfortunately, the US is very slow when it comes to regulation and laws. But I guess I think I covered everything for the most part, beginner wise. So if you're interested in cryptocurrency, leave me a message. I can send you a link to get started. We'll both earn $10 worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.